Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tomato curry, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1.5 pounds of fresh, ripe tomatoes, along with key spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala. Don't forget 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, have some cooking oil, salt, and a half cup of coconut milk or cream ready. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our curry. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, incorporate 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 inch of grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. It's time to introduce the star of our dish and develop its rich texture. Add 1.5 pounds of diced tomatoes to the pan, stirring them in well. Now, enhance the spice profile by adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and a half teaspoon of red chili powder for a gentle warmth. Season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring everything to a gentle simmer. Then cover the pan and let it cook for about 15 minutes. We are almost there. For a creamy, smooth finish, stir in a half cup of coconut milk or cream. This adds a lovely richness to the curry. Next, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, which will provide a wonderful aromatic boost to the dish. If you like, garnish your curry with about 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro leaves. Your delicious homemade tomato curry is now ready to be served hot, perhaps with some fluffy rice or warm naan bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.